Inooro TV's presenter Jeriwa Kariuki, well known as Nje, who usually co-hosts alongside Adisia on the popular Wirekererie show every Saturday on Inooro TV, has today revealed that she is pregnant. And it actually also happens to be her birthday today. She's turning a year older, and when celebrating her birthday is when she has decided to come out with the news of her pregnancy, and she even shared photos flaunting her baby bump. She wrote this saying, "So many indescribable emotions going on. I don't have the right words to express my joy and gratitude. Turning a year older today as a waiting mom. Happy birthday to me. Accepting Gadufu, Uji, and Pampers strictly." Here she is showing off her baby bump, and she looks lovely. And actually, over the past few weeks, over the past few days, in the photos that she has been sharing on her social media pages, she has been tending to take a certain pose that hides her baby bump. And now it has been revealed that she has intentionally been hiding the baby bump with these poses here. Even with her choice of outfits lately, she has been really trying to hide the baby bump, but all is well. We are happy for her. Congratulations to her, and also a happy birthday to her.